Are you filming?
Yep.
Just going to try and go up the top of the mountain and see what we can see. So, I tell you, that's the quietest I've seen the nursery slope. Not
Still
much
got
of
a
it.
queue, though.
Still got a queue, not much of one. I could have done my gloves, it's cold, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh look.
Now that's one of those snow machine off things, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, you can hear them shooting in the biathlon.
Go British team. The guns are for this way, though. It takes some ages to pull them off.
Yeah.
Oh, it's on stick.
Oh dear. And that fell from here.
Yeah.
Big chance, isn't it?
I mean, if you're a good enough skier, I don't think, especially if you're going down this, I'm sure you could have got there. Oh, there's your glove.
Where?
There's your gloves. Oh wow, look at all that. Loads of it falling off the tree.
Yeah. At least with our feet on this won't come up.
Yeah.
Is this actually filming? It's hard to see. See, that doesn't look too bad. That's a red run, is it?
I think so, yeah.
But it's so wide, you could go backwards and forwards across that, like that person's doing. I mean, it looks a bit lumpy actually, it does look bumpy.
Oh.
There you go.
He just said we're not getting off of it now, and he just fell. Good old sarcastic clap as we go up. Quite daunting. They're going off piste on such a high run.
Yeah, I suppose we have to look how thick and that it is.
Thick and luscious the snow.
You're not scared of falling into that stuff, you're not going to hurt yourself, are you?
Well, to some extent, probably will. Not kill you. It's scary a lot.
Yeah, we're going up into the cloud. If it doesn't clear, we might as well just stay on this and come back down again. What do you reckon?
Yeah, doubt we will.
Well, I don't know how much this is going to come out on film.
Off the edge.
What's hanging off the edge?
One of those snow machines.
Is that what it is? How do they actually work?
You shovel snow into it and it
Oh,
sprays
someone
it.
has to shovel it in there then?
Yeah.
Oh, I was going to say.
Or it sucks it in through the back, I'm not sure.
So the snow that would have landed behind it gets thrown out in front of it?
Yes.
Mm.
That's
Oh,
why
wow.
America has the biggest fake snow thingy ever.
But that doesn't make fake snow, it
No,
just
no,
uses natural snow and redistributes it, doesn't it? Now what's up there? Is that a red run or a black run? See, look, it's all nice and clear up here now.
Yeah. This section, I'm going to go back into the clouds again. No, like I said, there's one of the runs. The one we did this morning comes halfway down to that restaurant bit. You get another one of these all the way to the top of the mountain. I think where we're going now. Yeah, I think it's that one over there, I'm not sure. Might be. Brave. Be scared.
My hands are cold.
I bet they are. My hands are cold and I'm wearing gloves. Look at that run. Oh no, that's where we come down.
Is it?
Yeah, that's where we get off.
Oh no, wow, look at the clouds behind us, Don. Wow, this is proper up in the clouds.
Yeah, proper amazing.
You sure that's the bit we came down?
Yeah, remember the gondola.
Oh!
So we are quite high up, dude.
Yeah. Yeah, it makes sense actually, that then loops round. Oh, this is a nice little ride. I don't think Lacey would have been too chuffed with this.
I think we're coming to the top now.
Slow down.
It does that, you always get near the top and it slows down for a little bit.
Well, that's probably a good thing if you're trying to get off with skis.
Yeah, coming down's going to be no fun.
Well, you'd pull the bar down.
I know, but you'd be looking straight down.
Look, but it's balancing itself I mean, it's,
To some extent.
yeah, would be cool.
Well,
Worst case scenario, we fall off into that snow.
and then we have to climb all the way up or down.
No, I will use you as a snowboard.
You can't even ski. You're gonna
No,
snowboard. with me now.
you just lie on your back, and then I sit on you, and then we slide down. That's probably a way of doing it. Should we try that?
That should be
Human
it.
snowboarding.
But that is a jackass comic somewhere.
So I guess the better a ski you are, the less crowded it is. You get to come up to a place like this with there's hardly anyone around.
Yeah. It must be freezing. Get him no helmet, no mask, no nothing.
Maybe it hasn't been out long. God, my hands are freezing. I suppose this is freezing fog. Way above the clouds.
Oh god, the battery's on, I can see so much more with more. Colour scheme, I think it is.
I want to see them snow machines in action.
That would be cool. I reckon they're loud though, super loud.
Yeah.
I'll do it at night.
They got like little two-stroke engines attached to them at the bottom, like a Vespa. Now what's this?
That is where we get off, I believe.
Is it?
Yes.
It's a like a big platform thing. Oh wow. Oh, it's quite a thing up there.
I do believe the one on the left is the one I took up at one point.
Should we just stay on this?
Probably best.
We're not going to see much more if we go up any higher, are we?
No, I think we do have to get off and re-queue though. I prefer doing that. That way they know sort of we're going round.
Well, I don't want them stopping us, so.
Get your feet off so we can lift up for the guy.